Welcome back to the Deep Dive, where we cut through the noise to bring you the insights that truly matter. I want you to imagine, for a moment, your AI assistant. Have you ever wished it could, remember that detail you gave last week?
Oh, all the time.
Or even just what you discussed 5 minutes ago in a previous session?
Exactly, like starting over constantly.
Think of an AI that truly learns and grows with you year after year, building on every single interaction. Okay, let's unpack this revolutionary idea. Today, we're diving deep into EON Memory Vault. Now, this isn't just another tech announcement. It's a persistent AI memory layer. And it promises to fundamentally transform AI from, well, a short-term, task-focused assistant.
Yeah, like a tool.
Into something far more profound.
Yeah.
An enduring, lifelong mentor.
That's the big vision, yeah.
So, our mission today is to explore exactly what this technology is, why it's poised to be such a game-changer across industries, and crucially, what it specifically means for how you learn, work, and maybe even build businesses.
Right.
We've pulled some fascinating insights directly from EON Reality's recent announcement about MemoryVault, and believe me, this concept is going to reshape how you think about AI and personal growth.
Well,
We interact with AI constantly these days, right?
Here we were.
From quick queries with our virtual assistants to complex simulations in professional training environments.
Sure, yeah.
But doesn't it often feel like you're caught in a digital Groundhog Day?
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
Like you're starting from scratch with every new conversation or every new training module.
Totally.
Think about the last time you had to re-explain a concept to an AI, or perhaps redo a whole series of steps in a virtual training.
Yes.
Because the system simply didn't remember your previous actions or progress.
Yeah.
It's not just annoying, it's a drag on real progress.
It absolutely is. And that feeling of constantly repeating yourself, it goes far beyond just a minor inconvenience. Our source material really drives home the cost of forgetful AI. What we've seen with conventional AI is that it essentially resets. End of every conversation, end of simulation, poof, gone.
Right, wipe the slate clean.
Exactly. And this isn't just like an inefficiency. It exposes a fundamental flaw in how we've designed AI up to now. It creates this digital amnesia that actually actively sabotages long-term skill development and career progression.
Wow, sabotages, that's strong.
Well, think about it. It's like building a house without a solid foundation. You're constantly starting anew. The consequences are significant and far-reaching. We're talking massive amounts of wasted time.
I can write it.
A noticeable erosion of motivation, right? Because you feel like you're not making true progress.
Yeah, spinning your wheels.
Exactly. And ultimately, fragmented outcomes that just don't build on each other. If we look at the bigger picture, the source describes this as a structural limitation.
Structural limitation.
In current AI. And it actively prevents truly coherent progress along that critical path from gaining skills, securing jobs, and ultimately increasing your income.
Right, the skills, jobs, income chain.
It breaks the continuity that is absolutely essential for long-term growth and, measurable results.
Wow, so the problem of forgetful AI really has these deep, far-reaching consequences, undermining true progress, even our motivation.
Definitely.
It seems like the industry has been waiting for a coherent answer to this, and that's where EON Memory Vault comes in, right?
That's the pitch.
Positioned as this neutral, interoperable memory layer. But, okay, for us, what exactly does a persistent AI memory layer do? How does it actually hold on to all this information and
distinct? The architecture isn't designed to persist just one type of memory, but 3 complementary types.
3, okay.
Yeah, all working together to build a really comprehensive understanding of you. First, we have episodic memory.
Episodic, like episodes.
Yep, kind of, yeah. Think of it like the AI's personal event log, remembering specific moments, the entire history of your interactions, every attempt you've made, every scenario you've gone through. It's about the experience of learning.
Okay, the history. Got it.
Then there's semantic memory.
Semantic, meaning?
Exactly. This is all about facts, concepts, structured knowledge. It's the AI's understanding of the information itself, the data, the definitions, the foundational concepts.
Right. The what?
The what, precisely. And finally, and this is crucial for practical application, is procedural memory.
Procedural, how you do things.
You got it. This is where the AI remembers workflows, specific steps, practice skills, essentially how you do things. Now, what's truly transformative here is how these three types of memory don't just store information. They combine. They work together to create a much richer, more holistic understanding of you, the user, over time.
Holistic.
Yeah.
So more than just facts and figures.
Way more. This isn't just about more data. It's about shifting AI from being a what you know database to being who you are and how you learn companion.
Oh, okay.
It's the difference between, say, a textbook and a personal tutor who remembers you were frustrated last Tuesday and adjusts their approach today.
I see. That's a big shift.
It is. And at its core, MemoryVault operates on principles designed for trust and utility persistence, adaptability, transparency, compliance.
Right, those guiding principles.
Ensuring transparency and adaptability in how it remembers you, transforming AI into a true long-term partner, not just a tool.
That painting of a complete picture is incredibly intriguing. It's a huge leap from just processing commands to truly understanding an individual's journey.
Exactly.
But, okay, how does MemoryVault actually integrate with the AI and XR tools we're already using or planning to use? It sounds like it operates as an intelligent infrastructure layer, but what does that look like for you, the user, in practice?
Right. It functions as that intelligent infrastructure layer that kind of sits underneath and permeates various parts of your AI and XR stack.
Okay, permeates.
Yeah. So, for example, in agent orchestration, think about unifying different AI tutors and mentors.
Agent orchestration, like making the different AIs talk to each other.
Essentially, yes, but more importantly, making them share the same memory of you. So instead of each AI interaction being a siloed event, MemoryVault ensures that the context, your progress, your specific needs, it's all carried forward.
Ah, so no more reintroducing yourself to the math tutor AI after talking to the physics tutor AI.
Precisely. This means your AI mentor understands your entire journey across different modules or even different AI agents. It picks up right where you left off.
Okay.
Imagine trying to master a new skill. The AI remembers not just the last exercise you did, but also maybe that specific concept you consistently struggled with 3 weeks ago.
Wow.
Or the precise error you made during a crucial step in a simulation last time.
That's a key point, this idea of an intelligent infrastructure layer. So if I understand correctly, it's acting as a smart layer between different AI agents.
That's a good way to think about it.
Can you elaborate on how that agent orchestration would actually unify, say, multiple AI tutors across different training modules or even different devices?
Absolutely. Think of it as a central nervous system for your AI ecosystem.
Okay.
Whether you're interacting with a virtual mentor on your desktop, practicing a skill in a VR headset,
Right.
or maybe reviewing a concept via a voice assistant on your phone. MemoryVault ensures all these separate AI agents draw from the same continuous stream of your personalized memory.
So it's consistent everywhere.
Consistent and cumulative. Every interaction contributes to a single evolving profile of your learning and progress. And crucially, it's also built to plug right into the systems many organizations already use.
Like?
Your learning management systems, LMS HR platforms, accreditation systems.
Ah, the enterprise stuff.
Exactly. Making sure all your progress and achievements are seamlessly tracked, reported, and can even feed into official certifications.
That integration is huge.
It is. And there's also a strong emphasis on governance by design.
Governance?
No.
Meaning rules and control.
Yeah, offering transparent memory controls for both users like you and administrators. This is vital for meeting institutional and regulatory standards, building trust, and ensuring data privacy.
Giving people control over their digital memory. That seems important.
Absolutely critical for adoption.
Yeah.
And what this ultimately means for the larger landscape is that it's not a standalone product. It's designed to enhance and extend existing immersive campus capabilities.
Okay.
Like those persistent AI mentors and voice-based guidance, all delivered through EON Universal.
It sounds like the foundational pieces are all there for this to actually make a significant difference.
That's the goal.
So let's talk about what that looks like for the user, the tangible transformation. What's the before versus after for someone experiencing MemoryVault, what the source calls the MemoryVault effect? Okay, for you, the listener, imagine this. With session continuity, you go from progress repeatedly restarting, that Groundhog Day feeling,
Right.
to a seamless handoff across sessions, courses, and even different devices. No more re-explaining.
Finally.
Or consider personalization depth. Instead of getting those one-size-fits-all generic responses,
Yeah, which often miss the mark.
you'll experience longitudinal personalization
Yeah,
based on your entire history, your goals, your actual outcome.
truly adaptive.
And for XR training, this sounds really powerful. It moves from redundant steps and repeating the same errors
Uh-huh.
to
Okay.
memory-aware guidance, where the AI literally tells you, let's retry step 3 you missed last time.
Because I remember that was a tricky point for you.
Exactly. That's incredible. A spokesperson for EON Reality emphasizes that Memory Vault is a strategic foundation, not just a feature.
Right, it's fundamental.
Turning AI into an enduring mentor.
Indeed. And the implications of this extend even further with some truly unique features.
Oh, like what?
Take the immutable evidence vault, for example.
Immutable. Like
Yeah.
unchangeable.
Exactly. This automatically archives tamper-resistant performance logs and assessment artifacts.
Oh, okay. Why is that important?
Think about audits, accreditation, compliance.
Proving what you learned or achieved.
Precisely. All that evidence is exportable in compliance-ready formats. It simplifies audit readiness immensely and builds trust.
The immutable evidence vault sounds incredibly powerful for trust and compliance. But in practice, what are some of the biggest hurdles organizations might face in actually implementing and maintaining such a system, especially given, evolving data privacy concerns?
That's a critical point. The technology itself ensures immutability, the tamper resistance, but the biggest hurdles often lie in integration, especially with older legacy systems. And, as you mentioned, navigating that complex landscape of data governance and privacy regulations, GDPR, CCPA, all that. It varies everywhere.
So the tech is one thing, the policy and integration is another.
Absolutely. Building trust isn't just about the tech. It's about clear policies, user consent, transparent controls, all of which Memory Vault is designed to support, but it requires careful implementation by the organizations using it.
Makes sense. What other features?
Another standout feature is venture memory for founders.
Venture memory. For entrepreneurs.
Yeah. For entrepreneurs, Memory Vault can chronicle hypotheses, pivots, traction snapshots, mentor decisions, essentially creating a transparent venture trail.
Like a startup's black box recorder.
Kind of. It's invaluable for due diligence when seeking funding and also for ongoing coaching. It provides a verifiable history of a startup's journey.
That's fascinating.
And then there are adaptive skill pathways.
Adaptive pathways.
This means memory-driven recommendations for refreshers, micro lessons, or maybe different scenario branches in training, all precisely tuned to your individual gaps and strengths, evolving over time.
So it proactively suggests what I need next, based on everything I've done.
Exactly. It's like having a personalized learning roadmap that adjusts with every step you take, truly optimizing your growth.
So this is clearly a powerful shift, but beyond the features, what does this all mean for you, the listener? Where might you actually encounter this kind of technology in your own learning or professional life? Give us some tangible examples.
Absolutely. You might encounter this in personalized mentorship. Imagine an AI coach that tracks your long-term career goals, your learning style, your past performance, to provide truly personalized, evolving guidance over months or years.
A long-term AI career coach.
Potentially. Think of long-term skill tracking, too. Memory Vault could create cohesive mastery profiles across multiple modules, courses, even certifications.
So like a verified portfolio of skills.
Exactly, providing verifiable proof of your capabilities that builds over time. And in contextual assistance in XR, which we touched on, imagine being in a complex simulation.
Medical training, maybe.
Or manufacturing.
Imperfect examples. And the AI gives you memory-aware hints and rehearsals right inside the immersive environment because it knows exactly what you struggled with last time. No starting from zero.
That targeted help sounds incredibly efficient. And for entrepreneurs, as we mentioned, it provides that entrepreneurial support through persistent venture journals, powering tailored guidance for building your business. One of the key aspects highlighted is its immersive delivery plus reach.
Right, working in VR and AR.
Exactly. Memory Vault works within EON's virtual campus paradigm, which means these persistent AI mentors, interactive workspaces, multimodal learning environments, they're fully compatible across major XR devices.
Like MetaQuest, HTC Vive.
MetaQuest, HTC Vive Pro, HoloLens, Magic Leap 2, all delivered via EON Universal.
So it's designed to be widely accessible.
That's the idea. This broad compatibility ensures that whether you're using voice commands or navigating complex, immersive modules, the AI's memory is always active, always relevant, and always building on your past interactions.
Consistent across devices and interactions.
And ultimately, this all connects back to that critical skills, jobs, income, outcome chain we discussed earlier.
Right, closing the loop.
By providing persistent memory and contextual understanding, MemoryVault aims to make this entire journey coherent, ensuring that every learning experience, every gained skill, truly compounds in value over time.
Compounding value, I like that.
It's about building a foundational understanding that supports long-term personal and professional development in a way that's simply not possible with today's forgetful AI.
We've explored how EON Memory Vault is moving AI beyond those fleeting transactional interactions
Yeah, the quick Q&A.
to create truly persistent, adaptive, and intelligent mentors. This feels like the true paradigm shift. We're talking about transforming AI from something you interact with sporadically
A tool you pull out occasionally.
into a trusted, long-term guide that genuinely knows and understands your unique journey.
And if we really consider the full implications, just imagine a world where every learning experience, every simulation, every piece of advice from an AI actually builds upon what came before, accumulating into a personalized, lifelong knowledge base that serves you specifically, not just some generic profile.
Alert to me.
Exactly. This foundational shift in how AI remembers us could truly redefine personal growth, professional development, and even entrepreneurial success. It can move us into an era where AI doesn't just assist, but truly mentors us throughout our lives, making that knowledge accumulation truly exponential.
A lifelong AI mentor. That's quite a thought, isn't it?
It really is.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into EON Memory Vault. As you go about your day, think about this. What does it mean when AI remembers you? Not just for a single session, but for a lifetime. How could that fundamentally change your journey of learning and growth, allowing you to build on every single experience? We'll catch you next time on The Deep Dive.